Hey guys, welcome, one and all. Welcome. Today, today, um, today is a cooking video. I will be cooking barbecue. I'm doing barbecue pigstail. So, this is the pigstail that I have already boiled 3 times. Okay, boil this 3 times. Start it off 3 times. Get some fresh water on it now. So, the mirror I'm going to use to make my sauce. So I have orange juice, coconut milk, 99 people. Butter for my rice and peas. And I'll be showing you how I season my rice and peas. Orange juice, sorrel beer, barbecue sauce, jerk barbecue sauce, and ketchup. And I'll be adding this Maggi cube to the sauce. So let's prepare. Yes, I'm going to put them in a dish and then put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. Okay guys, so let's prepare this scrumptious meal. So I'm preparing the sauce. So the Maggi cube. Just add a little bit of it for flavoring because I'm gonna put no seasoning on the pigtail. Absolutely no seasoning is added to this pigtail right here. So I'm going to go ahead with the ketchup. And this is my little sauce. You can use things of your choice. These are just the things I chose to use to make my sauce. You can always add your own spices and own touches to yours. Yeah, so the oven I'm going to put this in. You can now mix this. Mix it up. You can see it. This smells so good. And then never add it to the pigtail. And I'll be showing you that in a minute. So here's the pigtail. I'm going to pour this baby all over these now. Yeah. Make sure say everybody get catch. As I stated, we're not right. So the pigtail them covered in the sauce now. And I will cover this the pan with file paper and put it in for 20 minutes. In that time, I'm going to do rice and peas. The peas is already cooked. Right, so I will just go ahead and show you and season my rice and peas. For those who don't know and those who need to know and those who already know. And guys, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you. Oh, whoa, hot. So the pigtail are in. So this is the rice and peas hot. The peas is already cooked, and for my rice, I'm gonna add the coconut milk yet. I'm going to add the coconut milk now, but sometimes I put coconut trash in my rice and peas. So this I put coconut trash on the sip on the top and a piece of pigtail. That's a good small piece for flavoring. You can try it guys, trust me. You're not gonna regret it. So then we're gonna put in the rice and peas. So yeah, if you wonder how this looks, so I keep my ground season, I freeze them, so I cut them up and you can try it. It is very good. It keep them longer, way longer, cause for like about 3 months now I have them the scallion here cut up and the time freeze them. So I will be adding these and this wash the rice. After the mere boil up together, wash the rice, and I'll be adding a tubes of salt, a tubes of black pepper, and a tubes of Maggi seasoning. That's the all-purpose and chicken seasoning together for my rice and peas. Okay, you know, say if you wash your hands, you go and wash your rice. So for the people who don't know, who want to know, and who need to know, yes, if you're ground seasoning them, your scallion and your thyme, your tomato and your sweet peppers, you can wash them, cut them up, put them in bags, parcel them, and keep them in your freezer, and they will stay fresh and firm for as long as ever. Yeah, so you can try that as well. So I'm gonna add my milk, add these, make them boil up, wash the rice, add the rice with a piece of butter, turn down the fire on low flame when you add the rice, the rice and peas. Low flame and let it steam properly. Rice don't cook on high flame, people. For the perfect rice, you want your rice to come out perfect and nice. No whole heap of water, and turn down your fire. Slow cook your rice. Rice cook better on low heat. So we're gonna do all of that and come back. So I just take out them out of the oven, people. So we're gonna fast pan it now and see what it is like. Wow. Oh wow, you saw them catch color and pretty. Right, so you don't have to make an added sauce with this. Here you have it. Okay. And I went ahead and just cut up two pieces of fandangos to go in on my plate. And this is the cup. This is the culprit. This is responsible for my rice shaping. Yeah. So you can go ahead and get one like that. Look on the rice now. Let's see what's happening over here. Wow. So I'm gonna dig up this. Right. We have to turn the rice when it's cooking. Yeah. Right, so finished product is coming up real quick. And I thank you. Remember to like, remember to share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel for more videos. More videos coming soon. I don't know. Tell me what you want to see me cook. Tell me what you want to see me cook. Right. And if I don't know nothing about it, I'll try it. I'm always open to try new things. Y'all should know that by now. So here is the finishing, guys. That is my barbecue pigstail, rice and peas and vegetables. Washing it down with some green juice, some super healthy green juice, no sugar added. Right, so remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos, or ear video, nails video, just videos. Yes, yeah, Sunday dinner. This smells so good. So I'm going to eat this now.